Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my TXT crown inspired design. Start off by painting all of your nails a light blue. On the first nail, make 2 horns using white paint or polish. Fill the horns in with red. Use black to outline the horns and to add details. Seal in your design with a top coat. Make the outline of a crown using white paint or polish. Paint over the white lines with a sheer yellow polish. Make sure you paint past the lines to give the crown a glowing effect. Use a light yellow polish to highlight the middles of the lines. Add some white dots around the crown and fill them in with orange polish. Seal in your design with a top coat. Make the outlines of 2 horns with white. Add some white dots above the horns. Paint over the outlines with a sheer yellow. Paint around the lines with a sheer orange polish, making sure to leave the centers of the lines yellow. Fill the dots in with the same orange polish. Highlight the centers with a light yellow polish. Seal in your design with a top coat. Use white paint or polish to make a tail with 3 prongs at the end. Fill the tail in with red. Outline the tail with black. Add some small lines for movement and seal it in with a top coat. Make a white cross in the center of the nail. Fill the top and the right-hand side in with yellow. Seal in your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!